Good morning, students. This is your science class, class 6. We are studying unit number 9, work and machine. In this lecture, we will read page 112 to 114. Now, second class of lever. In second class of lever, load is present between effort and fulcrum. It does not change the direction of force, but it increases the force. For example, nutcracker, wheelbarrow and bottle opener. In third class, effort is present between load and fulcrum. It does not change the direction of force, but it always produces a gain in speed and distance and decrease in force. For example, hockey stick, fishing rod, human arm and leg. Inclined plane is sloping surface which make it easier to move away from low to high elevation. It has a flat surface that is high to one end. बेटे इंक्लाइन प्लेन एक स्मूथ सरफेस होती है जिससे हम किसी भी हैवी लोड को नीचे से ऊपर लेके जा सकते हैं. An inclined plane make it easy to move things. Less energy and force are needed to move the object as compared to lifting. Wedge. A wedge is modified form of inclined plane. It is made up of two inclined planes which meet to form a sharp edge. A wedge can be used either for separating or for the holding things together. A wedge is a simple machine which changes the direction of force as well as increase it. The downward movement of a sharp knife creates strong sideway force that helps cut things. A sharp knife or an axe has great splitting force that blunt ones. Example of wedge are knife and axe. Screw. A screw is a simple machine that is used to hold two things together. It is made up of a flat head attached to a rod which is pointed at one end. The rod has spiral grooves or threads on it. The screw is a special kind of inclined plane. When you turn the head of screw with a screwdriver, the spiral rod travels quite a long distance. It increases the force applied many times. Nuts and bolts are used to hold two or more parts together. A car jack in which the screw raises an arm to lift up the car is another example. Wheel and axle. Wheel and axle are used in many machines and instruments. A wheel itself is not a machine. It becomes a simple machine if fixed to a rod called an axle. The rod is attached to the center of wheel. You can easily see how wheels are used in car, donkey carts, bicycle and other vehicles. These wheels work with the help of axle. A wheel and axle enable a machine to move and to change direction easily. A pulley. A pulley is a simple machine made up of wheel. A pulley wheel turns on an axle. There is a groove around the rim of pulley which holds the rope. A pulley is used to lifting heavy load. One end of pulley is attached to the object to be lifted and effort is applied on the free end. It changes the direction of pull. Since pulley is easier than lifting, the work becomes easy. The lifting force can be double if two pulleys are used. The most common use of pulley in well or on flagpole. There are different kinds of pulley. Two different pulleys are here. First, fixed pulley. In this type of pulley, the groove wheel is fixed to a rigid surface like a wall. In this system, a fixed pulley is used to direct the force. Therefore, same amount of effort is required to lift the attached load. For example, if a load of 100 Newton is attached to the spring of the pulley, in order to move it upward, a downward force of 100 Newton will be required. Fixed pulley is used in well and flagpoles. Force is applied to one end of the rope. A weight is tied on the other end. The rope moves in the groove. For example, in the well, the bucket full of water is raised when the rope is pulled downward. When the rope is released, the bucket goes down. Students, this is your home task. Do reading page number 112 to 114. Thanks a lot.